My hope was for them to have a real life experience, understanding that everything costs money. You don't get to choose your career. You don't get to choose whether you're married or you're single or if you have children, which are called dependents. And you don't get to choose the age of them, okay? Two choices you guys have. You guys can choose your housing according to your family size. You also get to choose at any time you want to level up. What does level up mean? It means I'm going to say, I don't really like my job and I don't really like the income that I have because I don't think that's enough. But maybe if I go over to the Shasta College table, they might be able to help me find something that could level my income up and help me meet my bills better every month.
And so this here tells you that you are single with no children. Okay, Stephen, you are single with one child.
And sometimes we have to roll with what we have, whether that is a career that we kind of fell into or maybe even a career that we planned for. And that being married and having children, you know, there's a higher cost. You have to have a larger home, you have to pay more for utilities, and definitely childcare. I think that was the sticker shock moment for many of our students when they had to go to the childcare table and pay for childcare.
And I have a child, though.
You have a child and you're married, so realistically you just need a 2-bedroom minimum.
Yes.
So what I would recommend, keep in mind with the apartments, you don't pay utilities because the apartments include utilities.
And then that's just how much coverage you would get. So like if your home flooded or fire.
Ask questions. What is a charitable foundation if you don't know what that
What
is?
is charity? Is it like charity?
Exactly. So you get to choose which one that you like, and you donate $10 of your monthly income.
This one.
Okay, you want to take the sport car? So it's going to cost you $326 a month, right? Good. And you're going to calculate all that against this number here, right?
Movie rentals? All right, $5. So you're going to put $5 right here.
Those that went through the second time, we helped them level up. We gave them a new career that made substantially more, but that also meant that with that may have come a certificate or a college degree.
And balances are critical because you can see all the negatives and all the positives, but if there's not a balance, sometimes we tend to overspend.
If you have insurance, it goes down to 80. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go get insurance really quick.
We already got a part-time job in here that you're doing an at-home business, and you're a hairstylist. So what do you think maybe you would like to do now? I mean, you could be a pizza delivery guy in the evenings, right? And you're married, so maybe your spouse will watch your 4-year-old child while you're out delivering pizzas?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good bet.
That's a great option because you're only going to drop the kids off at one location. That's going to be pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's add up 800 and 700 on your calculator. Do you know that answer? 1,500 a month for your 2 kids for childcare.
You are single and no children.
Yes.
Yeah. No childcare table. No childcare for you.
Dude, my groceries went from $170 to $400 just because I got married.
It puts it in perspective what life looks like past the point of graduating and gives some examples of what the world's really like. One of the helpers was like, do you want to go to the movies? And they were like, no, because I think they had to get a second job because they were already out of money. So
At the end of the day, I hope that, first of all, that they've had a lot of fun and that they have a takeaway that says, maybe I can wait on some things, or maybe I could learn how to budget better.